First time. And that's good. So,
Rocket kami kasi galing kami sa galing kami sa Luz sa Onyx kaya parang rocket kami, nanginginig kami, pero ang ganda ng game namin, nice game, sobrang nice game.
yes, ramdam yung giggle sa inyo kanina. Ikaw?
Yung na-feel ko po ang saya ngayon, na-feel ko kanina nung natalo kami ng Onyx.
Talagang may bawi nyo ngayon, no?
Congratulations po, sobrang galing.
Yes, and congratulations once again. And how about Aster? How do you feel about playing with Sixth Sense today?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Too much pressure.
Kumanta na lang tayo. Happy birthday to me. Hey, happy birthday to you. And then, sobrang challenging na makalaro sila. Tsaka, sobrang na kasi silang grabe. Ano?
Pero aminin nyo lahat ng mga P-pop idols dito. Ngayon na ulit kayo nag-ML ulit kahit sa tournament na. Kaya sobrang hirap kasi kailangan pa mag-adjust. And it was a really good game. You guys are amazing and yeah. Galingan nyo, sana mag-champion kayo ngayon. Diba? Mag-champion? Anyways, thank you guys. It was fun.
See you daw sa next tournament. And guys, it's promotion time. So,
Yes, salamat po dahil natalo po kami. If you want to know more about us, Aster, kung gusto na po kami makita mag-perform, you can follow us on all of our social media accounts. You can search Aster_PH, that's AZTR_PH. And very soon po, we will release our very own music po, like very soon. So, after abangan na po.
napakatagal na namin naghihintay. Grabe. And how about you, Sixth Sense? It's
What's up,
promotion
friends?
time.
Buhay mo ba kayo? So yeah, please follow us at Sixth Sense Official and we're going to release our new single this month, so watch out! And gusto lang po namin i-shoutout yung isa naming member, si Kuya Axis. Tayo, wala mo na! Galing mo!
Pwede na mag-shoutout?
Sana daw may Tetris next para kay Axis.
Kaya wala ko bang black? Shoutout ko din sa mga members.
Sabi ni Axis next time daw, Plants vs. Zombies pa.
Yan.
Ayan.
Tetris.
Pwede po ba kami mag-request yung mga hindi po nakasama sa laro? Akit po kayo, picture tayo.
Alright, so yung mga members ng Sixth Sense, so nandito ang members ng Aster. Magkaroon tayo ng group picture. Yan.
Nagkakatiras.
Hey.
Nagkakatiras.
Alright, in 1, 2, and 3. Oh, yeah. Alright, thank you guys, and what? Alright, so congratulations sa inyo. Aster and Sixth Sense, magkamayan nga tayo. Alright, congratulations. And now, that is official. Ang maglalaban sa semifinals, sa ating unang semifinals, ay ang Glitch and Sixth Sense! Ano, kinakabahan kayo? Nakita niyo sila maglaro kanina, di ba?